Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a multicolored beads anklet. So let's see the materials required. Firstly, you're going to need beads. You can use any beads of your choice. Next, you're going to need anklet lock, closed jump ring, gear lock, gear wire. Next, you're going to need pliers, cutter, round nose plier, flat nose plier. And lastly, we need a scale. First, cut the gear wire according to your length. Use the cutter to cut the gear wire and the scale to measure your length. I'm using the other pair of anklet that I have already made for the length. Next, put a gear lock into the gear wire. Now add a closed jump ring. Put the gear wire through the gear lock next and pull the gear wire tightly. Now press the gear lock flat with the flat nose plier. The top or the first part is now secure. Now start putting in your beads. Use your creativity for your own patterns. I am making the same pattern as my other pair. Now I have finished putting in my beads. Remember to put the excess gear wire into the beads in the beginning. Now at the last, add a gear lock. Next, add a closed jump ring. Put the gear wire through the gear lock again and also through some beads. Next, pull the gear wire tightly. Use the help of a flat nose plier to help with the pull. Press the gear lock flat with the flat nose pliers. Cut the excess gear wire using a cutter. Lastly, add the anklet lock. And our beautiful anklets are ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and hit that like button.